The world of road construction is marked by feats of engineering brilliance, where every piece of machinery plays a crucial role in shaping our landscape. Today we talk about Caterpillar 24 Motor Grader. Caterpillar 24 Motor Grader. The Caterpillar 24 Motor Grader, commonly referred to as the Cat 24, is a robust piece of machinery manufactured by the American company Caterpillar Inc., renowned for its size and power. The Cat 24 sets a high standard in the field of road construction and maintenance. One of the most impressive features of the Cat 24 is its engine. The machine is powered by a Cat C13 engine, which boasts a maximum power of 304.4 GP. This engine is made for the most challenging conditions, ensuring a high level of performance, regardless of the task at hand. In addition to its engine power, the Cat 24's weight is a testament to its robustness, with an operational weight of around 29 tons. This grader is designed to handle heavy-duty tasks without any compromise on performance or efficiency. The Cat 24's cutting-edge technology also contributes to its superiority. It features a suite of integrated technologies, including Cat Grade with cross-slope, CAT Grade with 3D, and Cat Stable Blade. These advanced systems enable the operator to achieve precision grading, thereby ensuring a high quality of work. Moreover, these technologies significantly reduce the operator's workload, which contributes to increased productivity. Another distinguishing feature of the Cat 24 is its hydraulic system. The grader is equipped with an advanced atomic system designed to deliver the highest levels of efficiency. This system, combined with the machine's robust frame, allows the Cat 24 to offer superior control and smooth operation. The Cat 24 also boasts impressive fuel efficiency, thanks to its eco mode operation and an engine idle shutdown feature. These features allow the machine to consume less fuel and reduce emissions, thereby making it an environmentally friendly choice. The durability of the Cat 24 is noteworthy as well. The machine is built with high-quality components that are designed to last. Furthermore, the grader serviceability is enhanced by features such as ground-level access to maintenance points, which makes it easier for technicians to service the machine despite its powerful capabilities. The Cat 24 does not compromise on operator comfort. The machine features a spacious cab with advanced controls and an air suspension seat, ensuring that operators can work comfortably for extended periods. The machine's visibility is also excellent, providing the operator with a clear view of the work area and enhancing safety.